Rosemary is a very popular spice in England, Germany and France. However, it is very rarely used in a form of tea. So should we use it more often? Rosemary has a beneficial effect on the stomach, restores mucous membranes, prevents spasms, restores the liver, helps with colds, helps with respiratory diseases, soothes and helps with insomnia. Rosemary also promotes hair growth, making your hair thicker and shinier. But that's not all. Numerous modern studies have shown that rosemary has many more healing effects. It has a positive effect on the well-being, treatment of cancer, cardiovascular disease, allergies and brain diseases. It inhibits the development of chronic inflammation, cancer, arthritis and multiple sclerosis. If you have problems with psoriasis or hair loss, you can turn to rosemary for help. Scientists have also found that rosemary and its ingredients have the potential to prevent and treat bronchitis, asthma, hay fever, coughs and stomach ulcers. Carvacrol and rosemary acid prevent the deposition of fat on the walls of the arteries and prevent their narrowing, so we can say that rosemary protects the heart. Canadian scientists have proven that an alcoholic extract has an inhibitory effect on tumor cell growth in breast cancer and leukemia. As mentioned earlier, scientists have also shown in several studies that carnosolic acid improves memory functions, thereby reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. So how to prepare rosemary tea? Put 3 teaspoons of chopped rosemary in 1 cup of hot water and let it boil for a few minutes. Cool it down before drinking. Drink some tea before each meal, even before breakfast, and wait 10 to 15 minutes before starting to eat. Drink rosemary tea for 7 days, then take a break for 14 days, and then repeat the process. Rosemary tea is also very effective for headaches, migraines and nausea. Keep drinking rosemary tea and let us know about your progress over the time. If you would like more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.